Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download a GIF file from Twitter. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, just simply open your Twitter application, formerly known as Twitter. After that, just simply select the GIF file that you want to download or save. For example, I'm saving this GIF file into my device. As you can see here, there is no option to directly download a GIF file from your Twitter. Now, in this case, just simply click on this share icon. From there, click on copy link and copy the link of this GIF file into your clipboard. Then, after that, you just simply have to download Twitter videos or GIF from your Play Store and open it. After opening the application, your GIF file will automatically be downloaded. But if not, just simply do it manually. Click on this option, put the link into here, and click on the download button. Then, after a very short processing, depending on your GIF size, your file will be downloaded. Now, to check if it's downloaded or not, click on this My Downloads option. As you can see here, my file was already downloaded. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.